What kind of justice system punishes a king for hitting a common man? Under Islamic rule, it actually happened. Sultan Mehmet II, the very man who conquered Constantinople, once struck a Christian architect during a disagreement over construction. Most rulers in history would have gotten away with it. But not in this story. The Christian man didn't stay silent. He filed a case against the Sultan of the Ottoman Empire. And here's the part that shocks everyone. The judge summoned the Sultan. No titles, no special treatment, just man to man in front of the law. After hearing the case, the judge ruled that since the Sultan had unjustly harmed the architect, his hand must also be struck in return. Qisas, equal retaliation. Not even the Sultan was above Islamic justice. The Sultan accepted the ruling. He extended his hand, ready to face the consequences. The architect was stunned. He couldn't believe what he'd just witnessed. A ruler so powerful, still submitting to justice. Overwhelmed, he dropped the case, saying if this is what Islam teaches, he wanted to live under it. This wasn't just a legal win. It was a moral victory that echoed far beyond the courtroom. Islamic justice wasn't a slogan. It was lived, even when it meant punishing the most powerful man in the empire.